So hi everybody, today we're going to go ahead and take a look at the vmund real mechanical keyboard. We're going to open it up, see what it has inside the box, then I'll hook it up to a computer so this way you can see it because it has changing lights. So stay tuned, it's time for streaming. So hi everybody, thanks for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. So vmund went ahead and they sent me this keyboard to go ahead and show my subscribers. When you plug it into a computer via USB, as you can see right here, here's the keyboard with a USB cable, and it also comes with a mouse that also has a USB cable, so you can hook them up and they all light up, it's very cool, not bad at all. And the keyboard just sounds like an old-time typewriter, which I kind of like the sound. It's not bad at all. So let me go ahead and set this up right now so you can see the colors that it does have to offer. So here it is. The keyboard and mouse are all hooked up to my computer. Has colorful lights, has a wave type of motion, and also the mouse lights up too. The logo and the wheel on the mouse lights up. Pretty good for when you're gaming at nighttime. You got the room kind of dark and the keyboard lights up and also the mouse. Not bad at all. And also, the sound of the keyboard is like an old-time typewriter, like I was saying in the beginning. Pretty cool. The buttons are raised, just like an old-time typewriter. It's really nice. Not bad at all. I want to thank vmund for sending me this keyboard to test it out and show my subscribers how nice this is and how the colors are and how they change, and also the mouse. Also, a very nice product. There will be a link in my description down below. Go ahead and check it out. Click on the link and get yourself a nice, real mechanical keyboard now to hook up to your computer. Thanks for watching, and remember, day or night, it's time for streaming.